Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a stable rig, spawn the camera tool, attach it to an entity, and set the FOV to taste. Once done, use the physics gun to precisely place the mount. You want predictable movement. Make sure to enable knocklip or switch to spectator to position the camera without obstruction. As you work, test a short recording to confirm framing and exposure. This gets you into the scene quickly while preventing later rework when you refine motion paths. Now you build the motion. Place keyframes at every major point, start, pivot, and end, and record position, angle, and FOV at each. Once keyframes exist, apply eased interpolation to smooth acceleration and deceleration. Hard cuts feel jarring. Make sure to preview the timeline at the target frame rate so speed matches gameplay pacing. If a segment drags, compress keyframe spacing. If it's too fast, spread them out. Continue iterating until movement reads like a designed camera, not a physics glitch. Finish by setting render resolution and frame rate, then export with a codec that preserves quality. You should capture multiple takes to choose the best pass and use overlays or masks for small composition fixes. Once done, review footage full screen for micro jitter or clipping. If you see jitter, check that the camera's parent entity isn't physics-driven or lagging. Enable interpolation and lock transforms. When problems persist, re-record the affected sections rather than overcompressing fixes, because clean source yields.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.